so hot. I'm thirsty.
Me too. Oh, what's that sound?
Look!
Help, Playlishers! The rainbow waterfall has dried up! We need 10 magical fruits to save the forest!
Let's help him, Mom!
Are you ready? Let's go!
Playlish adventure start.
Wow, looks like we made it through.
Yes, and look, there's a basket sitting here. I wonder what this is.
You made it! Welcome to the fruit forest! And look! A magic basket! We need 10 fruits to make the rainbow juice. When you find a fruit and say its special word, the basket will eat it up! Please help!
Got it! Let's feed the basket! This is watermelon! It's too heavy!
Wow, it's so big! Look at the stripes, and it's green!
Big, stripes, green, watermelon.
Huh? What's that? Ouch, it's round and orange!
Round, orange?
Round, orange, orange.
Let's look for some other fruits. Look closely. It's so small.
Wow, look at the seeds, and it's red!
Small, seeds, red, strawberry.
I slipped! That's yellow and very long!
Yellow, long, banana.
Ouch, it's so spiky.
It's a pineapple and yellow inside.
Spiky, yellow, pineapple.
Look, Mom, it's very smooth.
And so red.
Eat this basket.
Smooth, red, apple.
Let's take a short break here.
Mom, if we find just a few more, we'll have all 10 fruits. It tickles! It's so fuzzy!
It's a kiwi. Look, it's green inside.
Fuzzy, green, kiwi.
Catch them, they are so small.
And purple!
Small, purple, grapes.
Here you go, basket!
Oh my, it's so sour. It's yellow and very juicy.
Yellow, juicy, lemon.
Wow, it's pink and very soft.
Pink? Soft?
Pink, soft, peach.
Yay! 10 fruits!
We got all 10 fruits! Let's make the juice! Thank you, Playlishers. The juice to save the forest is finally ready. I'll take this right away and go save the forest. It's time for you to head back home now. Let's meet again next time. Goodbye. Playlishers, the forest has come back to life. Thank you so much for the wonderful adventure. Goodbye.
That was such a wonderful adventure today.
It really was. I loved seeing all those different kinds of fruits, too. Let's go on another adventure soon. See you next time.
It's a Playlish time!